In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a project in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's dive into the process. Begin by opening the specific Asana project you want to print from your workspace dashboard. Make sure you're in the right project because you wouldn't want to print something you didn't intend to. The project should be laid out nicely for you, so it'll be easy to identify. Once you have your project open, the next step is to locate the small caret icon, which is positioned directly next to the title of your project. If you're not sure what I mean, think about that little triangle symbol that points down. It's usually a toggle icon. Click on this caret icon and it will expand a menu that contains several project management options. Don't worry, we're almost there. From this drop-down menu, look for the Sync or Export option. Now, this is important because that's how you get to the print command. It's usually quite intuitive, so you should be able to spot it fairly easily. Once you click on the Export option, you'll then want to select the Print command. This step will prompt your web browser to show the integrated print settings window. Now let's take a look at some of the options that pop up in this print settings window. First, you'll need to choose the correct printer from the list of available devices that are connected to your computer. Make sure it's one you have access to and is set up properly. Next, it's time to decide on the page size. You'll typically have options such as letter or A4, so pick the one that fits the paper stock you intend to use. If you're unsure, check what kind of paper you have on hand. Once you've selected your page size, it's important to consider the orientation of your printed project. You have the choice between portrait or landscape format. Portrait is usually great for vertical data, while landscape can offer more space for that horizontal task information that you might have. Be sure to choose what best suits the layout of your project. Now let's get into some additional settings that you can tweak. This is a great opportunity to adjust margins, choose color options, or select double-sided printing if that's something you want. These adjustments can definitely refine the end result, making the printed project look more professional. After you've set everything to your liking, it's time for the final step. Click the Print button in the browser window to send your document to the printer. And just like that, you've initiated the printing process. Once the printing completes, it's a good idea to check your result. Make sure everything looks as you expected and that all the information is clearly visible. And there you have it. You've successfully printed your project in Asana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching,